What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today it's going to be a little bit different because I did just make a really big move in life. This isn't exactly car related, but it's gonna help with the channel because of the income and stuff like that. What I did was bought a new house. I bought this house right here. It's right next door to my father's house. I'm gonna use it as income property. It does need a little bit of work. As you can see, it's in pretty good shape. The exterior looks good. There's the driveway. You know, park a lot of project cars. You know, no one wants project cars on the outside, but, you know, just park them and wait until that day comes to work on them. Like my Mustang and my 94 Grand Cherokee, you know, off-road. So, you know, I'm just here to explain that since this house right here does need some work, it's gonna be a little bit difficult to work on my 240. You know, like this house probably needs about 2 months worth of work. So what I'm gonna do in the meantime, since I won't be able to really work on it much, I will here and there, but I will try my hardest to continue the content out to you guys. So what I think I'm gonna do, I do have a couple family members that bought cars. My brother bought a Ford Focus RS. My cousin has a Civic Type R or SI, something like that. I forget because it's been a while since I've seen it. And another cousin, or my cousin's boyfriend, bought a 2019, I believe it's 19, Charger RT V8. Sounds amazing. So, you know, I'm gonna do some reviews of their cars, and on top of that, we'll probably do some races like the RS versus the RT or something like that. Oh, my cousin also has an SRT4. I mean, that thing is a monster. It's loud, you know, downpipe, catless. He's got a tune on it, so it sounds amazing. But this video, I just want to show you the house real quick, and then, you know, I'm gonna work on it because, you know, I do know construction. That's what I do on the side. And then I'll show you guys after, you know, in 2-3 months from now when it's finished. I'll show you guys what it looks like and the progress. So in the meantime, I hope you guys can stick around, watch my videos, keep me going, and then when the time comes to work on that 240, I will put it back on the channel as soon as possible. Thanks guys, I really appreciate it. So let's go around the house. I already showed you guys the driveway right here. It's looking good, and look at this backyard. It has a little bit of potential. You know, I cleaned it up a little bit, and I think I could fit 2 garages, you know, just like drive the car at an angle. Boom, maybe even with a lift. I think a lift would be badass. So here's the house. Let me show you the inside and why it needs work. All right, so I showed you guys what the outside looks like. Let's go inside. Unfortunately, I can't go into the front door because someone broke the key inside. Way to go. So we'll enter through the second, and we'll start on the second floor. So you guys can see it. It smells in here like smokers used to live in here. Everything needs to be painted, and the floors need to be done. I'm probably gonna knock this wall down to make the living room way bigger because this is like an old porch. No one uses that no more. Missing step, broken wall. I think that's the worst part. This is the 3rd floor. It's just like, you know, a pretty big bedroom. Unfortunately, there's that stupid chimney and pipe there, but the pipe, I'm gonna remove it. That's just a vent, you know, for like drain. Decent, looks good. Just needs, you know, a little tender loving care. Then, let's go back down, fall in the hole. So, living room. I'm out of breath from all those steps. Dining room. Don't worry about the fridge. I don't know why it's there. Go this way. 2 bedrooms. Closet. Bedroom. Closet. You see the floors are a little messed up. They definitely need to be sanded. Like, and some parts replaced. Not a big deal. Cut it, new, done. So like I showed you the bedroom. Here's the kitchen. This kitchen is not too bad. I don't know who had the taste of 3 different tiles on the floor. This house was built in 1918, so it's 101 years old. You know, I don't know when they redid this. So what I'm gonna do, new floor, new kitchen cabinets, make this one, you know, nice and long, paint everything. I think it's gonna look phenomenal. So here's the bathroom. The bathroom's actually in really good shape. It's really good shape. New vanity, new mirror, doors, clean up the tile in between, the new regrout. And I think that's perfect. Oh, yeah, can't really shower with that. I mean, that's like getting hit with a garden hose. Gotta put one of those. So up here looks good. Now, this is the second floor. Let's go downstairs. Oh, did I show you that? That's another part of the wall that fell. That's easy though. Sheetrock over that, done. So let's go down, 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 down. First floor. It's the same exact setup as the second floor. You got the dining room here, living room, it's a closet. You got the porch, just like upstairs, which again, this one too, I'm gonna knock down this wall, level this out, hardwood floor it. All this needs to be resanded. This floor is actually in better shape than the second floor. It just, the radiators are gone and there's holes. So, see that? It's gotta be fixed. Easy, that's really easy. Cut it, new, done. So just like the second floor again, you have one bedroom, two bedrooms. Here's the bathroom. This bathroom's like a dark hole and kind of claustrophobic feeling because no window. So I think the window framing should still be in here. You know, the wood framing with the king studs and stuff like that should still be back here. So I'm gonna find it, cut it out, put in the window. No, not low, you know, nice and high, just to give it that airy feeling. And just like upstairs, paint, shower doors, vanity, mirror. Actually, probably needs a new tile, unless maybe I can clean it nice. Still gotta check that out. Still making decisions. And here is the kitchen. Can you believe this kitchen? Look at this. The floor is a mess. Gotta tear out the floor, put new floor, probably hardwood floor just like there. Which I know that's like the new thing now is hardwood floor everywhere. Or tile, or maybe even vinyl, I don't know. I gotta make that decision still. These cabinets, rip them off, soffit, rip it off, extend the cabinets out, brand new. Over here, same thing, cabinets, refrigerator go here. Unfortunately, can't take this out. That is a chimney, the vent system for like, you know, the hot water heater and the boiler. Wish I could take this out. I hope this is all wood paneling. Don't like it, take it out. Electricity needs to be refurbished. Get an electrician for that. See, it's got the old fuses, not like the switches, like new style. So that's the first floor. Look, they even had an old window there. Gotta take that out and cover it. And that's where the radiators used to be. Cover that. And now if we continue downstairs, which is pretty dark. See if I can turn on a little bit of a flashlight. I want to see if I could just fix this basement up a little bit. You know, paint the floor, paint the walls, and I can use that as storage for more car parts. Love car parts. The more car parts we have, the better. So like I said, see the chimney? See how it's used as the vent system for it? Hot water heaters too. Man, it's dark over here. I wonder if you guys can see it. Electric, gas, dead rat. Look at that dead rat. Oh man, that's disgusting. I wonder how old that thing is. Whew. That's it, guys. Let me get some light down here. That is it. This is the house. I'm gonna be working as hard as I can, as much as I can here. I wanna get it done as soon as possible, as you guys saw. Hopefully 2, max 3 months. I mean, my father and I, we do most of the work ourselves. I'm not gonna live here. You know, I'm just gonna use the driveway in the backyard and the basement. I'm gonna rent the first and second floor because as you guys already know, I already have my own apartment and it is beautiful. You know, we painted everything and it looks phenomenal. If you guys wanna see it, just make sure you go down my Instagram, DM me, and I'll probably go live. I'll let you guys know when, so you guys can see what my apartment looks like. So that is it, guys. Thank you again for watching this video. You know, it's not very car related, but I'm just explaining a little bit about my personal life. You know, sometimes you guys ask a little bit more personal stuff. I love my car, I love my 240, my 2JZ, but it's kind of getting in the way of my life and bringing my life up because that car is really expensive. I mean, I'm in it like, including the car, like 30 grand. You know, I got the rear already, I got the brakes, still got to install all that stuff. The trans, I still got to install the trans, I still got to paint the whole engine bay. So I'm trying to work on it as much as I can. I promise you guys I will put out that content, but for now, I'm going to do car reviews and car races, which isn't too bad. So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys stick around. Please go down, subscribe. If you don't know why you should subscribe, make sure you go back to my playlist, my previous videos, so you can see my 2JZ swapped 240 with a single turbo, Precision 6466. It's going to be a monster, about 700 horses to the wheels. So that's why you should subscribe, and because you subscribe, make sure you turn on those post notifications. Alright guys, again, thank you so much. Remember, always work hard and stay humble, and I really mean that from the bottom of my heart. You gotta work hard. As you can see, I work hard on my car, and work hard on my house, and work hard on my primary job. You know, gotta work hard and stay humble about it. You make a lot of money, you know a lot, stay humble. It's the best way you can go. See you later, guys.